Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best upholstered dining chairs on Amazon. Upholstered dining chairs combine comfort and style, enhancing dining spaces with cushioned seating and a touch of elegance. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Roundhill Furniture Upholstered Dining Chairs. The Roundhill Furniture Upholstered Dining Chairs add a glimmer of elegance and style to your home. These chairs will complement any decor and make a statement in any dining space, featuring a sturdy hardwood frame and solid legs in a dark espresso finish. The seat and chair back use a luxurious tan linen and cotton fabric that's both soft and durable, providing style. These chairs provide ample seating for people of all sizes, providing excellent support for enjoyable dining experiences. And with the added touch of nailhead trim, these chairs exude sophistication and are perfect for any formal dinner setting. While these chairs need assembly, all parts and instructions include, making it easy to assemble them quickly and hassle-free. What we like about it: cushioning in the seat and back. Suitable for people of various heights. Colors offer a classy look. Easy to assemble. What we don't like about it: some feel uncomfortable sitting on chairs. Number 2. Homepop Upholstered Dining Chairs. The Homepop Upholstered Dining Chairs will impress your guests with classic and elegant upholstery, adding a contemporary edge to your living space. The premium cotton fabric and gray washed finish wood legs are eye-catching and ensure the chairs are durable and long-lasting. The set of chairs can support up to 250 pounds. You can gear up to impress your guests with these stunning accent chairs that elevate any space. You'll love how easy it's to maintain their pristine appearance. And cleaning them is a breeze. Spot wipe them with a soft dry cloth. What we like about it: contemporary edge with a decorative flair. Comes in multiple vibrant colors. Easy maintenance with spot wiping. What we don't like about it: legs aren't even. Number 3. Christopher Knight Home Upholstered Dining Chairs. The Christopher Knight Home Upholstered Dining Chairs are perfect for elevating your dining room. These chairs offer a striking contrast to traditional decor, boasting a gorgeous beige and natural finish, making them a must-have for anyone looking to add a tinge of sophistication to their space. Indulge in a premium seating experience with these chairs, crafted from polyester fabric and robust and durable rubberwood, to ensure they withstand the test of time. Each chair features soft-edged distressed wood, imbuing it with a classic charm that perfectly matches any decor style. These chairs are the ideal size for most dining rooms. And accommodating additional guests has always been challenging with the set, including 2 chairs. What we like about it: premium quality for lasting comfort. Classic charm meets modern comfort. Perfect size for any dining room. What we don't like about it: assembling is difficult. Number 4. Modway Upholstered Dining Chairs. The Modway Upholstered Dining Chairs exude elegance and refinement. Masterfully built with springs and webbing, this chair is made to last and prevents sagging over time. From the moment you look at its hourglass-shaped back and flared legs, you'll be captivated by its delicate beauty and sophisticated charm. And with lavishly insulated foam plus wood legs featuring non-marking caps, you will be comfortable for hours. This chair is strong enough to accommodate guests without sacrificing chic and modern design. The Regent strikes the perfect balance between size and comfort, turning it an ideal choice for any space. What we like about it: stylish and luxurious design. Beautiful nailhead trim and color options. Comfortable seating with good back support. What we don't like about it: legs don't align. Number 5. Spot Upholstered Dining Chairs. The Spot Upholstered Dining Chairs are ideally suited for various living spaces, from the dining room to the den. This set comes with 2 matching chairs that exude sophistication and style. The solid wood frames and legs provide a strong and sturdy base, while the nails inset around the cushion and back add a touch of nobility and elegance that's hard to miss. Also, these chairs offer a comfortable seating experience that is perfect for extended periods of sitting. These chairs are ideal for modern or classic interiors, adding a glimmer of elegance and sophistication to any living space. What we like about it: versatile for different living spaces. Exudes sophistication and style. Solid wood frames for a sturdy base. Nails are inset for nobility and elegance. What we don't like about it? They stain easily. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.